Hello friends! This tutorial shows how to crop PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat using the updated interface on PC and Mac. If you are using an older version of Adobe Acrobat, please see the previous version of this tutorial, which will be linked below. Cropped pages can be used to focus your reader's attention on specific content or show images without distraction. However, this process doesn't actually delete parts of pages. Instead, it hides unwanted areas of pages. Therefore, we'll also look at how to return cropped pages to their original size. Before we start, please note that Adobe's free PDF display software, Acrobat Reader, doesn't provide a way to crop pages. However, pages cropped with Adobe Acrobat will appear cropped when viewed in Reader. To begin cropping your page, I first recommend using the Zoom menu to adjust the view so you can see the entire area you want to crop. Next, select Edit in the top toolbar. When the Edit pane appears, select the Crop Page button. Your cursor should now turn into a crosshair cursor, which you can drag to create a rectangle over the part of the page you want to keep. If necessary, use the resizing handles on the corners to adjust the size of the rectangle. Once adjusted, double-click inside the rectangle to open the Set Page Boxes dialog box. From there, you can adjust the margins for the crop box as necessary. If you want to apply the same crop to multiple pages, you can select All, enter a page range, or select only even or odd pages. Today I only want to crop my first page, so I'm not going to make any changes here. After making your choices, select the OK button. As you can see, my first page has been cropped, and if we scroll down, we can see that my other pages have not been affected. And if we press Ctrl+P on a PC or Command+P on a Mac, we can see how our cropped PDF will print. To return your page to its original size, reselect Edit and Crop Page. Then double-click inside the cropped area to reopen the Set Page Boxes dialog box. From there, ensure that Crop Box is selected in the Apply To menu. And then select the Set to 0 button, followed by the OK button. The page should be returned to its original size. And as always, remember to save your PDF to save your changes. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlist, How to Use Adobe Acrobat. If you found today's video helpful, please leave me a comment with any other Acrobat topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.